2019 Contenders football, 3-box break, PYT number 1. Thanks for the fill, guys. I appreciate it. There's 15 autos in this break. There's supposed to be 5 in a box with 1 on-card auto per box. So let's check it out. All right. Good luck, guys. Good luck. MVP Contenders, Alvin Kamara. Won't be shipping the vet base, but the inserts and the rookies and the numbered and the autos. Devin Bush. Miles Sanders and a white sand. Jared Goff. Curtis Martin. So today I was thinking about how to incorporate some March Madness stuff into the room. We've done in the past some breaks where you get each break gets one person into a March Madness bracket. So we'll be doing something. I got to look at the dates for it and try to figure some stuff out. How many breaks we can get off before then, and figure out what I want to do with it. Nick Bosa, Rookie of the Year Contenders, but keep an eye out for that. I may incorporate it into a Kobe break somehow. I might do a Kobe memorabilia break or a PSA break, and do something with March Madness that way. I'm not sure, but I'm going to do something with it so we can have some fun. Von Miller. Last couple of years we did some, where people got teams. Everybody got a team. Well, not everybody. People that, we would do like this break here is 32 teams. At the end of the break, we'd roll the dice, and the top spot would then get into the March Madness promo. And then from there, they would get once we filled the bracket out, they would all get one team. So if your team advanced, then you got better prizes. And then the final prize was the winner. If you had the winning team of the whole thing, then you got the best prize. Dawson Knox, Devin Singletary. So, figure something out. Alexander Madison, Rookie of the Year Contenders for the Vikings. No autos yet. Bruce Smith. Peyton Manning, winning ticket. Rookie of the Year Contender, Bryce Love. There's only 6 packs left here. I bet you it's in the next one. We're going to skip over to box number 2. How about that? Save the autos for you. MVP Contenders, Tom Brady. I like to switch it up again and do silly stuff. The way they package these things, all the autos are in the same spot. Brian Dawkins. Depending on how I stack them up, I guess. You got something here, though. It's a correct ice non-auto. Pretty good one, too. Michael Thomas for the Saints, 11/23. Mickey Smith with the cracked ice non-auto of Michael Thomas out of 23 for New Orleans. And Josh Jacobs rookie behind that. Oh, we got an auto, I believe. We do, and it's numbered to 99, playoff ticket for the Houston Texans, Kahali Waring. Houston Texans auto. That's going to Mark Rich. There you go, Mark. We'll be able to get those cards out for you now. You got some hits finally. First auto, playoff ticket auto. Numbered to 99 for the Texans, going to Mark. Christian McCaffrey. So we should have a run of autos, maybe. I don't know if I stack these up the same way. Let's see. Yep. Second one is for the Saints. Rookie ticket auto, Alize Mack. Is he related to Khalil Mack at all? Alize Mack for the New Orleans Saints. That is going to Mickey. Rookie ticket auto for New Orleans. A.J. Brown, DK Metcalf. See if we got auto number 3 in this box right here. We do. It's for the Falcons, Kadri Ollison. Rookie ticket auto for the Falcons, Kadri Ollison. Going to Mark Rich. Back to back, or 2 or 3 in this box. For Mark, those cheap teams get hits, even though they're not big names. They get the cards. And then if they pan out, they'll be worse than. Preston Williams, Rookie of the Year Contenders for the Fins. So imagine the autos. We're going to keep going here. We are. Number to 199 for the Patriots, NFL Inc., Jamie Collins. New England Patriots, Jamie Collins out of 199 for Shannon. Jamie Collins for the Patriots. NFL Inc. auto, number to 199. Legendary insert, Joe Green. Oh, we got a nice one. Oh, and it's on card. Who's got him? The Raiders. Josh Jacobs, rookie ticket auto on card for Mike Zimmerman with the Raiders. Nice hit, Mike. Very nice card there. On card is a beauty in Contenders. Josh Jacobs is a beast. Very nice. Big Ben insert. I think that was all 5 autos for that box, actually. So now I'm going to switch it up even more. Watch this. There should not be any autos in this pile, so we will fly through it. All right, there shouldn't be any autos in here, so we will just pull out these, which is Jimmy G. This is Rookie of the Year Contenders, Andy Isabella. Winning ticket, Drew Brees. Round numbers, Montgomery and Singletary. If there's any of those, I'll try to divide them up, or I'll just spread them around. I mean, they're basically base cards. They don't really have any value, really. Lev insert. Julius Peppers insert. Rookie of the Year contenders, TJ Hawkinson. Matt Ryan MVP contenders. Darnell Savage and Rashawn Gary for the pack. And Deebo Samuel for the 49ers. All right, that was easy enough. We know we got 5 autos out of 6 packs on the left over there. Or we should, at least. Let's go on to box 3 here. Troy Aikman, insert. That is Miles Boykin, Rookie of the Year contenders. Nobody cares about base cards, huh? Only certain base cards, rookies from certain brands. MVP contenders, Aaron Rodgers. But certainly not these ones. Mecole Hardman and Juan Thornhill, round numbers for the Chiefs. $17/99. This guy is just a joke now that he's back in line. He's back in the league, and what a joke. That Browns-Steelers game, first game we play them this year, is just going to be out of control. Hollywood Brown, Rookie of the Year contenders. Who knows what's going to happen in that? First auto, third box is going to the Eagles. Rookie ticket auto. Going to the Eagles. Signed by the Eagles here. Eagles. And this is Marcus Green. Marcus Green for the Eagles. Eugene Miller. Aaron Donald. First, oh no. Yeah, I got one auto. All right. Next auto is a die cut, number 241 for the Rams. It's David Long. Rookie ticket die cut auto for the Rams going to Mickey Smith. Number 241, David Long. If you guys want me to get any more contenders in, let me know. We have just had these boxes sitting here as personal, so I decided to switch them into a break because it was the only football that we had. But if you guys want me to get a certain product of football in, there's a Nick Foles insert, let me know. I could look into getting another case of contenders, or Obsidian, or I don't know, whatever product you guys want me to look into getting. If you guys are all going to take a handful of teams in a certain product, let me know, and I'll try to grab it. Got an auto here for the Brownies, rookie ticket auto of Mac Wilson. The Browns, that is Stephen Garrett. One spotting it with the Browns auto, Mac Wilson. Hakeem Butler, Rookie of the Year contenders. Auto for the Packers, Tim Boyle. Rookie ticket auto for the Packers, Tim Boyle. Shannon. Tim Boyle. Going to Shannon. For the Colts, Rock Sin, and Ben Benago. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4? I guess we got our on-card auto coming up. Hopefully. Maybe not. J.J. Watt, Contenders. Oh, baby, there it is. Say hello to my little friend. That's a beast. How about that 3-box auto with an on-card auto of Daniel Jones for the Giants going to Bird. Nice hit, Bird. I believe that team sat there and sat there and sat there and sat there. Nobody wanted them. Little 3-boxer, and it's on card. Nice hit, Birdman. We got a Josh Jacobs on card and a Daniel Jones on card. Pretty awesome. Tom Brady insert. I believe the rest of these are non-autos, so I'm going to rip through those, and we'll get the last box, which should have 5 autos in those 6 packs over there. The Birdman. Oh yeah, Sugar usually take the Raiders in the other breaks, huh? That is Brian Dawkins on the insert. That is Jacobs on the Rookie of the Year Contenders. C-Mac Contenders insert. A.J. Brown, DK Metcalf, round numbers. Contender insert Preston Williams. Joe Green. Big Ben. And that'll do it. All right, we should have 5 more autos, guys. Let's see what we got. Miles Sanders and Arcega Whiteside. And then Byron Murphy and Andy Isabella. Oh, this one's numbered to 75. Numbered to 75 for the Eagles one. All right, 5 packs left. Should all be auto. Well, we had this guy in another box. It's an Eagles auto again of Marcus Green. Rookie ticket auto for the Eagles going to Eugene. 2 and 3 boxes. Marcus Green, rookie ticket auto for you. J.J. Watt. Wow, we're going to have the same box because I think we have this one in there as well. Number 2, Elise Mack. Elise Mack for the Saints. Mickey Smith, that's number 2 for you on that. You know what the crazy thing is these were from different cases. That's crazy. Troy Aikman. I guess it'd be crazier if they were from the same case, actually. This is a different one for the Titans. Alex Barnes, rookie ticket auto for the Titans. That's going to Sugar. Alex Barnes. It's not A.J. Brown, but it is a hit. Miles Boykin. Ooh, another nice one. 3 boxes. Wow, that's a cracked ice. Who's got the Jags? Cracked ice auto Gardner Minshew out of 23. Brian Garland, where you at, BG? Nice hit, dude. Wow, all 3 boxes were good. All 3 of them had a nice hit. All 3 of them had one nice auto. Gardner Minshew, and we didn't even get our on card yet on this one. This is a sticker, cracked ice. Nice hit, Brian Garland. Gardner Minshew, cracked ice, rookie ticket auto for the Jags. Josh Jacobs and Daniel Jones on card autos. MVP contender Aaron Rodgers. And what is the last pack gonna bring us? Nice hit, Brian. Congrats, sir. Maybe it's not on card, huh? Well, it is on card. Gary Jennings is on card. Okay. Gary Jennings on card auto for the Seahawks. That's Mickey Smith. For some reason, I thought they only did dare I say bigger names for the on card ones. But the last auto is on card for the Seahawks, going to Mickey Smith. It's Gary Jennings Jr. And that's Miko Hardman and Juan Thornhill. That'll do it for the break, guys. I don't have any randoms, but we do have 3 nice autos in 3 boxes. That is pretty cool. These were the 3 boxes sitting here, and we got Jacobs, Daniel Jones, and then a cracked ice Minshew. Very nice. Thanks for the break, guys. I appreciate it. I'll get that video up to the tube. I really appreciate you guys.